Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. In last session, we have started our chapter 9 from our science, that is reproduction in animals. Okay, and in last session, we have already discussed some basic things from this chapter, like first of all, what is reproduction? So pause this video and take a minute to think about it. That we have studied what is reproduction. The production of new individuals from their parents is simply known as reproduction. Okay. So next one is we have already studied discussed this table 9.1. Okay, that which will be the in which you have already completed this young ones to this adult. Okay, after this, modes of reproduction. Okay, this is also one more important topic from this our basics of this chapter. So what we have discussed: vegetative parts, reproductive parts, and two modes of reproduction, that is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Pay attention here. Most plants have roots, stems, and leaves. Okay, these are called the vegetative parts of a plant. Okay, this was the definition of the vegetative parts. Okay, simply. After this, the flowers perform the function of reproduction in plants. And since the flowers are the reproductive parts of a plant, okay, for this you have already studied the example of mango tree in class 7. Okay, that we are getting some flowers on a mango tree in spring, and after it we are getting juicy mango in summer. Okay, so these flowers perform a function of reproduction in plants, and that's why these flowers are called the reproductive parts of a plant simply. So now what is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction? So simply we have studied that in sexual reproduction, new plants are obtained from seeds only. Okay. Whereas in asexual reproduction, plants can give rise to new plants without seeds. Okay. Without the help of seeds. Okay. So you just have to mug up, or you can say, you can remember also that sexual means seeds. Asexual means we does not need any seeds. So in sexual reproduction, new plants are obtained from seeds, and in asexual reproduction, plants can give rise to the new plants without the use of seeds. Okay, that's it for this modes of reproduction. Next one is sexual reproduction. So we have okay. So in this chapter, you are going to study about this sexual reproduction. Okay, so you already studied these male and female reproductive parts of plants that produce sexually. Okay, reproductive parts produces gametes. Okay, if the male reproductive part is there, okay, then it will produce some male gametes. Okay, which is called sperm. Okay, we will discuss on it in this session only. And what about this female gametes? It is it is ova or egg. Okay, so it fuse to form a zygote. Okay, they are combining each other. Okay, I mean to say, and they form a zygote. Okay, and this zygote will develop to a new individual, or we can say next generation or offspring. Okay, so reproduction that beginning from the fusion of male and female gametes is simply called sexual reproduction. Okay, I hope you guys are getting this point completely. Okay, in this second point we have discussed the process of this sexual reproduction. Okay, uh, and this is the definition in last point, that is reproduction that beginning from the fusion of male and female gametes is simply called sexual reproduction. Let's move to the next topic. So let's take a look at these male reproductive organs. Okay, in which mainly there are three parts, we can say. Okay, like a pair of testes. Okay, two sperm ducts. Okay, by which this okay, in this pair of testes, this sperm is being generated. Okay, uh, as we have already said that the male gametes is called sperm, and it is being generated in this pair of testes, and it will go to penis via or with the help of this two sperm ducts. Okay, as per the name of the ducts, it's with the help of these two sperm ducts, it will go to the sperm will go to the penis. Okay, so this is the male reproductive organs. Okay, it's very easy, I think. Now, take a look at this sperm. Okay, so simply this sperm is a single cell only. Okay, this is unicellular, but although it is very small in size, okay, it had three parts like head, middle piece, and tail also. So the testis produces the male gametes is simply called sperm. Okay, we already discussed this, and millions of sperms are produced by the testis. Okay, we can say millions of sperms are being produced by the testis. Okay, so this was about male male reproductive organs, and let's take a look at this female reproductive organs. So what it includes: a pair of ovaries. Okay, in male reproductive organs we have a pair of testes, and in these female reproductive organs we have a pair of ovaries. Okay, by which this ova or egg, okay, we can say female gametes. Okay, it's the name for the female gametes. Ova or egg is being produced, and with the help of oviducts. Okay, in male reproductive organs this sperm was being traveled to the sperm duct, and in this oviduct, okay, this fallopian tube you are given. Okay, see here. Okay, that holds this ovary like this. So this ova or egg is traveled to the to this uterus. Okay, with the help of this oviducts. Okay, through the oviducts. And what is the uterus? It is the part where the development of the baby takes place. Okay, this female gametes, we can say. Okay, it will come to the uterus. Okay, with the help of UV ducts. Okay, from the ovary. And during the sexual reproduction, this sperm sperm is a single cell or unicellular, we can say. Okay, it's like a mobile only, so it can travel. So it will come to this uterus only, and where this baby take place. So this uterus is the part where the development of the baby takes place. This is the human ovum. Okay, the ovary produces female gametes called ova or eggs. Okay, we already discussed this topic. Although, let's repeat it. The ovary produces female gametes called ova or eggs. In human beings, a single matured egg is released into the oviduct by one of the ovaries every month. Okay, in human beings. Okay, let's talk about us only. So in human beings, a single matured egg is released into the oviduct. Okay, and with the help of this oviduct, where it comes, the uterus only. Okay, from ovary to oviducts, and oviducts to, take a look at here once again. This ova or eggs is being produced here in ovary, and with the help of this oviduct or through the oviduct, it goes to uterus. Okay, so in human beings, a single matured egg is released into the oviduct by one of the ovaries every month. An egg is also a single cell. Okay, as per the sperm. Okay, or as per the sperm, yes, male gametes. This egg, this female gametes, also a single cell. Okay, these both are a single cellular only, and they make a generates a baby in this uterus. Okay, so this was about male and female reproductive parts. And in next lecture, we will go with some fertilization and some other topics. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day to all of you.